This is day 2 of our storm. Right now we have freezing rain, and I came outside because I was a little bit worried about our tree. As you can see, the limbs are hanging. We've had problems with this tree before with the branches snapping off, and we've got a couple that are over some power lines, so we're just really worried about power lines. As you can see, the RAV4 is just covered with ice, and that's covered with ice. Looks like my neighbor left, and again, we're just looking at our big hemlock tree with known problems with branches falling off, and the palm tree, which is doing pretty good. So anyhow, it's crunch, 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 and oh boy, look at that. It looks really pretty, but that is really hanging down there. And Rhodey is a little bit crunchy.